Here we have line L and K, negative 5 and 0, 2, 0 and 2, 0, negative 4, P0. In the xy plane, line L is parallel to line K. L is parallel to K. In parallel lines, as we said, slope should be equal, should be same. The first line slope should be equal to the second line slope. I mean, take an example. L slope is m1 and line K slope is m2. m1 should equals to m2. This is this one. And here, negative 5, 0, 0, 2, our points. I can find m easily. 2 minus 0, 2, 0 minus negative 5 will be 5. It's 2 out of 5. This m1. And let's calculate m2. Here points 0, negative 4 and p 0. I can find easily m2. 0 minus negative 4, positive 4. P minus 0 is just p. And this is m2 and this is m1. We said m1 should equals to m2 because of parallel rule. And 2 out of 5 should equals to 4 out of p. And right now we use cross multiply rule. 2p equals to 20 and p equals to 10. There's 10, is there 10? Yes, D. This first one. And second one. Negative 2x plus 3y is 6. In the xy plane, the graph of which of the following equation is perpendicular to the graph of the equation above? Which one should... Firstly, we need to write this one in standard form. I mean, y equals to mx plus b, like this. That's why we should make y subject. 6 plus 2x. And y equals to 6 divided by 3 is 2 plus 2 out of 3x. And here, as we see, m1, I mean 2 out of 3. Slope will be 2 out of 3. And as we said, the perpendicular second line should be negative 3 out of 2. Because we said m1 times m2 should be negative 1. And right now, take an example. In variant A, we should check 3x plus 2y is 6. Again, we should make y subject. And y equals to 6 divided by 2 is 3 minus 3 out of 2. This will be A. Thirdly, 8. Which of the following equation represents the line that is parallel to the line with the equation? Again, parallel rule, 3x plus 4. And here m1 is negative 3. Again, we should check one by one. In variant A, 2y equals to 15 minus 6x. I just write directly. And y equals to 15 out of 2 minus 3x. This is variant A. Is correct because we said in parallel lines slope should be the same. That's why it's negative 3. And this one in A, the slope is negative 3. That's why it will be A. What is next? 28. In the xy plane, ABCD is a square and point E is the center of the square. The coordinate of the point C is 7, 2, can't see, and E is 1 and 0, respectively. Which of the following is an equation of the line passes through the point BD? Okay, BD will be the second diagonal for square, and the squares diagonal are perpendicular to each other. That's why firstly we need to find C and E or AC lines slope, the line of which is passes through C and E. M equals to 10 minus, that's nothing, 0 minus 2 and 1 minus 7. Negative 2, negative 6, it is 1 out of 3. And second line, which is perpendicular to that one, will be negative 3, slope of second line. That's why I can change the color. Y equals to mx plus b, our standard form. Y equals to negative 3x plus b. I just substitute m's value here. And secondly, E will be common point, and E's coordinate is 1 and 0. I can substitute it here. It will be 0 equals to negative 3 plus b, and b will be positive 3. And I can substitute it here, negative 3x plus 3. I can eliminate this 2. It will be b. If I expand it, negative 3x plus 3. I get it. This one in b. And lastly, last one. In the xy plane, the graph of which of the following equation is a line with slope 3? In the xy plane, the graph of which of the following equation is a line with a slope 3? Slope should be 3. I can eliminate, I can eliminate, I can eliminate, and it will be c, because y equals to mx plus b, our standard form, and slope should be x coefficient. That's why it is just c. In just c, it's 3x plus 3, 3x plus 2, slope is 3.